Welcome to solverfy.
So we are looking at the Venus throw. You throw 4 dice and you get 4 different numbers. What's the probability of that happening? So I'm going to give our dice names. We'll have A, B, C, and D. And I'm going to start by looking at how many simple outcomes there are, because these are balanced dice. So each outcome on each die will be equally likely, 1 in 6. So if I know how many simple outcomes are in the entire sample space, each of those will be equally likely as well. So I have 6 options on A, 6 on B, 6 on C, 6 on D. I multiply those to get the total number. So there are 6 to the 4 simple outcomes, things I might actually see when I roll these 4 dice. 1,296. Each has the same probability, 1 out of this number. So why have I done that? Because I'm going to make a fraction. On the denominator, I will have all of the options. On the numerator, I will have the number that meet my criteria, that they come up as 4 different numbers. So this is going to work because each of these outcomes is equally likely. So this is going to be the proportion of rolls that give you 4 different numbers, and also the probability that that's what happens. So let's take this away. Now let's look at how many options I have for each die when I'm looking at a Venus throw. So on the first one, I have 6 options. Anything works. But when I look at my second die, for only 5 things I could see there, I can't see whatever I had on die A. It has to be something different. When I look at the next one, well, it has to be something different again. And again. When I multiply these, I get the total number, 360. Dividing that by the number 1,296, I get 0.27, how many decimal places? 3. 0.278 to 3 decimal places. And there is our answer. This is one way of doing it. Another way would be to say, okay, so I'm picking different things from a collection, and so I've got 6 numbers in total that I could end up seeing. I need to pick 4 of them to show up here, and it's permutations because the order in which I pick them does matter. And that would be 6 factorial over 2 factorial, which is also 360. So you could also use that method to know how many ways this could happen. It's the same idea, it's just, is it done intuitively or recognizing permutations and using the formula?